Maybe you are wondering how to make $100 per day online even if you are completely broke. Well, in this video I'm going to reveal top 9 websites that will make you $100 per day online in 2019. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in today's video I'm going to reveal top 9 websites that will make you $100 per day even if you are completely broke, which means that you don't have to invest anything, you just have to start using them. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about how to use each one, and you're gonna make an average of $100 per day online. So obviously you can make much more, you can make much less, but that's an average, okay? So $100 per day, that's our goal. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. And if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to. And I will be revealing the winner of the previous contest in the end of this video, so please stick with me until the end of this video. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The first one is my top recommended product, which will make you hundreds of dollars per day, and all the rest of the links are free downloads and free signups for different resources, everything about making money online and working from home. But right now, let's just jump into the content of this video. 9 websites to make $100 a day online in 2019. So let me just share my screen for you right here. And the first website and the first way to make $100 per day is auctions.godaddy.com. So essentially this site will allow you to buy expired domains, which means that you're going to have to invest a few bucks in some cases. And because these are expired domains that in most cases people just bought and forgot about to pay again a year later or 2 years later, some of these are gold, which means that it's very, very common that you're going to spend a few bucks and make at least $100 instantly, because you can pay maybe $2, $3, $5 for it and sell it immediately, even the same day. In some cases you'll be able to sell them for thousands of dollars, but obviously you're going to have to dig through all of these URLs, all of these websites, and see which are the best ones. But to make $100 per day online this way is super easy. Most of these are gold. People just registered them, never used them, forgot about them, and they just didn't pay again for them. So which means that you can snatch all of the best URLs of the best websites in the world and easily flip them. So again, you can spend a few bucks and sell them for at least $100, if not thousands of dollars. So this is the number 1 website, and the number 2 website is actually connected to it. It's Flippa. If you have a domain, if you have a full website, if you have a full business, you can sell it on Flippa, but you can also buy different websites on Flippa. So you can actually buy something on Flippa and then resell it for a higher price. Again, you're gonna have to do your research, but that's the main idea. You can find expired domains on GoDaddy, sell it on Flippa. So there's a million different ways that you can make $100 per day online with this, especially in 2019, because people are buying more and more of these. It's more and more common just to buy a full website that is already ready to go, ready to use, all done for you. And people are looking for opportunities like this online much more in 2019. Okay, so Flippa, the number 2 website, and the number 3 website is actually one of my favorites. It's called Max Bounty. Now, Max Bounty is a CPA network, which means CPA stands for cost per action, which is super easy to make money with because you don't actually have to sell anything. So you can make money as an affiliate marketer and make an easy $100 per day online with it, or you can use CPA marketing, which is much easier because you are getting paid each time someone submits a zip code or submits their email, or maybe the more information they submit, the more money you're making. So you can make anywhere from 20 cents to 20 or 40 bucks in some cases. So it's a super easy way, because again, you don't actually sell anything. You are getting paid each time someone just submits information, and you can easily grab links from Max Bounty. It works like an affiliate link, but it's a CPA marketing thing. Share it all over social media, share it on Facebook groups, and whoever signs up, you are getting paid. And it's a super easy way to make $100 per day online. And that brings me to the next one, which is Peerfly, which is another CPA network. So obviously they're gonna have different kind of offers. You can check out both. You can see which one is your favorite, but Max Bounty and Peerfly are both CPA networks, and it's very, very easy to make $100 per day online with it. Again, especially in 2019, people are used to submitting their email or, you know, giving away their information for some kind of a gift. So it's easier and easier to make money this way, and $100 per day is just the start, because you can make thousands of dollars in some cases. Okay, so peerfly.com. And the next one is actually kind of crazy, because you can build a full-time business from it, and it's duda.co. So duda.co, and this is a website that will help you to optimize websites for mobile usage. So just imagine, some companies have a website, but they are not mobile optimized. So maybe the website looks cool, but it's not really presentable on mobile. And you know, most companies, like local companies, you know, the businesses around you, don't even have a clue that their website doesn't really look good on mobile. So all you have to do is just hit up these businesses and say, listen, your business website doesn't look good on mobile, but I can easily fix that for you for $100 or for $500 or even for $1,000, and you can use duda.co to do it, because this is something automated. So you know, they have like a website builder, team collaboration, client management. So it's a web design platform, but it's all done for you. You're just using templates, and in most cases, you know, just flipping an existing website to a mobile responsive one is super easy, and you can charge at least $100 for a service like this, and you can do it in a day. So again, in 2019, more and more businesses are aware of the fact that they need a website, but not only that, they also need to have a website that looks good on mobile. And this is a kind of a business in a box that you can do with duda.co. All right, next one. This is actually one of my favorites. I mentioned it in a bunch of videos here on my channel, Fiverr.com. This is how I got started online. There's a million different things you can do. You can do logo creation, you can do social media, voiceover, translations, illustrations. So these are the general marketplace ideas: graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, lifestyle, business, programming and tech, and music and audio. So if you have any skills, you can just go to Fiverr, open a gig, and start selling. But what I already mentioned in a bunch of my previous videos, and you should already know it, if you're new, then this will be gold to you. You can easily flip services, so pay someone $5 for a logo on Fiverr and sell it somewhere else, like on Craigslist, for $50 or $100. So this is a super easy way that you can make at least $100 per day online in 2019. And again, people out there, businesses, everyone else will need logos, designs, websites, all of this. You know, you can get cheaply done on Fiverr, you can sell it somewhere else, or you can do it yourself if you know how to, right? So Fiverr.com, by all means, one of my favorite websites. And the next one is an affiliate marketing marketplace. I use it every single day. It's called Warrior Plus. You can sign up. You can grab an affiliate link for any product, and you know, all of the products on the Warrior Plus platform are internet marketing and make money online related. So there are a bunch of other marketplaces, you know, for selling other products, but Warrior Plus is one of the top ones when it comes to internet marketing and making money online. So you can just start a free account, sign up for free, grab an affiliate link for any product, share it all over the web, you know, share it on your social media and Facebook groups. Again, check out all my previous videos if you want to know how to do this, but just, you know, the easiest thing is to share it in related Facebook groups. If you're gonna make a sale, normally you make 50 to 100% commission and you're making money, and $100 per day is super easy when it comes to Warrior Plus. And actually, Warrior Plus is a platform. Obviously, you can buy courses and you can buy software, but it's more for courses. When it comes to the next one, which is jvzoo.com, it's more for software. So same exact idea. You can sign up for free, become an affiliate for a bunch of different products, for courses, for software, for webinars. And actually JVZoo, a part of the internet marketing and make money online niche, they have a bunch of different niches as well. So you can just become an affiliate, start promoting any product of your choice and start making the big bucks. And again, $100 per day online in 2019 with JVZoo and Warrior Plus is just the beginning. You can make so much more money. I personally know people that make thousands, if not tens of thousands per day just from affiliate marketing. All right, so jvzoo.com. And the last one, clickbank.com, you probably know it. Same exact idea as with Warrior Plus and JVZoo, but ClickBank is more for niche related products. So they have a bunch of different niches. As you can see, they have arts and entertainment, business, computers, e-business, education, employment, fiction, food, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, a bunch of different niches. So, if you want to promote something in the make money online niche, I would recommend Warrior Plus or JVZoo. If you are in any other niche, I would recommend ClickBank. Same exact idea. You just grab your affiliate link, share it all over the web, in Facebook groups mainly. This is what works for me, and I know this works for a bunch of other people. And each time you're gonna make a sale, you make a commission. So affiliate marketing, you have to make a sale to make a commission. With CPE marketing, you just have to force someone to submit like a zip code or their email, and you're making money this way. So two different modules, both can make you $100 per day online, super easily. And I hope I just opened your eyes to the possibilities. These are my top 9 websites. And right now, let's just see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. Okay, so this is my previous video. Make $200 to $800 per day for typing and writing. So let me just grab the URL. Obviously, I'm gonna link to this video as well. You can check it out. And let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let me paste this in and let's start the raffle. We have 54 comments. We're gonna pick a random winner right now. And we have XYoungZX. Thank you for your tips, and he left his PayPal email. So right now I'm gonna send him the $10. And if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email. Very important, so I actually know where to send the money to. Okay, so as you just saw, I just sent $10 to the winner. Again, congratulations. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10. And please check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the top link will take you to my top recommended products, and the rest of the links are all free downloads and free signups. Also, please check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always sharing a ton of content all about making money online and working from home. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!